Imagine waking up one day and doubting everything. Not just your job, your relationships, or your choices, but reality itself. That's exactly what Descartes did. Questioned the world so deeply that he even doubted his own existence. Until he arrived at one unshakable truth: I think, therefore I am. Descartes was born in 1596 in France. He was a sickly child, often bedridden, which gave him plenty of time to think. And from the beginning, he wasn't satisfied with easy answers. He wanted certainty, absolute certainty. As he grew, he studied law, mathematics, and philosophy, but none of it felt solid. Everyone had opinions, but opinions could be wrong. Descartes wanted a foundation for knowledge that could never collapse. One night, while serving in the military, he had a series of dreams. Those dreams convinced him that he had a mission: to rebuild knowledge from the ground up. But how do you start something like that? Descartes decided to doubt everything. If something could be questioned, he threw it away. The senses, they can deceive you. Dreams, they feel real, yet they are illusions. Even mathematics, he wondered. What if some powerful deceiver was tricking him? But then came the breakthrough. Even if he was deceived, even if everything was an illusion, one thing was certain: he was thinking. And if he was thinking, then he had to exist. I think, therefore I am. It was simple, but it was the foundation he had been searching for. From there, Descartes rebuilt. He believed the mind and body were separate, the mind being the seat of thought, the body just a machine. He believed mathematics was the language of the universe, and that by using reason, humans could uncover truth. His method, breaking problems into small, clear steps, became the basis of modern science. But his ideas were also controversial. Some accused him of challenging religion. Others thought he made the gap between mind and body too wide. Still, his influence spread everywhere in mathematics, philosophy, and science. Descartes spent his final years in Sweden, invited by Queen Christina to teach her philosophy. The cold climate didn't suit him, and he died of pneumonia in 1650. But his legacy never faded. Today, he is remembered as the father of modern philosophy. Descartes' story leaves us with a challenge. What do you really know for certain? And if you stripped away every assumption, every belief, every illusion, what would remain?